The Order of Nature. Issue in Navtej Singh Johar Ors, Union of India. Whether Sec 377 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is violative of Article 14, 15, 19, and 21 of the Constitution of India, contentions of petitioner and others. The contentions raised by the LGBTQ Senior Counsel Mr. Arvind Datar on the behalf of petitioners were as follows. 1. The sexual orientation of an individual is a natural and private expression of choice and freedom, rooting from the consent of two qualified adults. Francis Coralie Mullen v. Administrator, Union Territory of Delhi, 9/2014, 9 SCC 1 and others. 2. The fact that it is criminalized in itself flouts the principles of dignity and autonomy. It is an essential characteristic of one's private life, where an individual is entitled to the right to reputation, option to shelter, and choose a partner. Sec 377 IPC is violative of Article 14, as the term is indistinct and does not define carnal intercourse against the order of nature. Furthermore, there is no intelligible differentia or reasonable classification that exists between the natural and unnatural sex, as long as it is consensual. 4. Anuj Garg and others, versus Hotel Association of India and others. 5. Sec 377 IPC is violative of Article 15, as there is separation based on sexual identity and sexual preference of an individual. An individual is prosecuted under Section 376 C2 E IPC for committing an act with the opposite gender without her whereas if similar acts take place out of consent between people belonging to same sex is condemned. 6. Sec. 377 IPC disregards the privilege of the LGBT people under Article 19(1)c, denies them the option to form affiliations, and furthermore, a conviction under Sec. 377 IPC renders such people ineligible for appointment as a director of an organization. 7. Sec. 377 IPC also incapacitates their growth in terms of personality and relation-building endeavors to enter into live-in relationships, standing in violation of Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. 8. Fundamental rights are accessible to all citizens of the country, including the LGBT community, which comprise 7 to 8% of the Indian population, constituting a minority. Such individuals need more protection in comparison to heterosexuals. Hence, they should be entitled to the same benefits and rights arising from a live-in relationship, such as testamentary rights, medical treatments, choice of partner, and insurability as laid down by Indra Sarma versus VKV Sarma. 9. 8.